Hello, dear friends. Welcome to BG office. Here is Kiva.
Here is piano. Kiva, do you know which one is the most popular meeting table in the showroom?
Yes, sure. Let me show you. I will recommend this modular meeting table for you.
Why this one is so long?
Don't worry, it can be long or it can also be short because it consists 3 parts.
Ah,
Like,
so it's movable.
yes, but this is the corner one, this is the rectangle one, and this is the square one.
Ah, I see. So the long table can seat more people.
Yes.
But I think it's a little bit dangerous. If I sit here,
Oh, you don't worry. We can use the hardware connector to connect these 2 parts together, so it will be very stable and safe.
Oh, I see.
Let me show you the connector under the table, like this one.
Oh, so
this
it's
is
stable.
Yeah.
Good.
So, do you like this one?
Yes, very good.
Welcome to Continue.
Okay, sure.
Thanks.